VR Sport, the luxury of freedom unleashed.
It is good to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is good times of co.za. There have been many incarnations of the Carling knockout. Once upon a time, it was a Coca-Cola Cup, and I remember that in the Coca-Cola Cup, there were teams like Silver Stars who would shock big teams. At some point as well, it was named the Telkom knockout, and there again, there would be surprises. Chief amongst those surprises was one final with Abom Duduzi Mdantsane playing against Orlando Pirates in the Eastern Cape, and they defeated Orlando Pirates, I think, in extra time or on penalties. That was in 2017. That was the first time Coach Wetson Nyirenda won a trophy, and the first time perhaps in the history of Ibaroka to win a trophy. Now, in 2025, in December, the same tournament, the League Cup, is known as the Carling Knockout. After being won by small teams, there's an opportunity here for a big team to reclaim that title. So Vilakazi is a former captain of such team, and the Orlando Pirates as they march on to yet another trophy win. Mr. So, maybe let me revisit some of these old finals. Thank you for joining us. I don't know if you were there when a Silver Stars by Coach Owen Dagama, Oscar Ndwachai, trying to think, Surprise Moriri would have been there as well.
Yeah.
That I think they either beat you in the Coca-Cola Cup or the Cup le ihlanganisa amateam amancane namakhulu, but it must have been a loss of 2-0 or something like that. Do you remember those days?
I would say, let me greet first.
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise wena Mr. Nkiyo.
Mr. So-and-so?
Stizi. Ngibulise chairman.
Yes, sir.
Nkwezimalanga lana. The best analyst in South Africa, in the country itself. Lindo Pep.
Coach, my coach.
Yeah, nginibulisa nale emakhaya. Ngicela support njalo iDiski TV. Ngizobe njobe njalo ngijike futhi.
Before you answer my question,
Yeah.
I need to ask you a more important question.
Yeah.
You look just as good now than you were 20 years ago. Kunamadoda ekade ekubuka ethanda ibhakaniya, ethanda ibhola.
Yeah.
They used to see you. You looked this way. You were a yellow bone, now unaphuza face. You're still the same way. How do you ugeza ngayiphi insipho? How do you keep yourself looking so fresh and clean?
Kunale sunlight yakudala le. Thatha le sunlight yakudala le green, I get to the shower, I use it. Thola baby Vaseline ngisigcobisa ngayo. Yeah. Then I look good.
It's a secret weapon.
Yeah, but the most important one, Mr. Nkewe, that we sometimes undermine is to have a good partner. When you've got a good partner,
Hey, Sister Raffaella.
it plays a very important role in terms
Yes.
of how you need to look after yourself.
Mr.
because
So-and-so.
It's important that when you look good, you know, your partner ukubhekile, she will make sure that, hey, baba, safuna ukubona kahle. So it's very important when you've got a good partner, you're always gonna look good.
Your wife.
Yeah, my twin. Yeah, no, she's taking care of.
Yeah, because you look, I'm sure you are between 40 and 50.
Yeah.
Your age.
Yeah.
But you look better than us in our 30s.
But I try my
that's
best.
impressive.
I try my best. You know, I try my best.
Even
I know.
last year, and it was pristine. You kept it well. You kept it well. So you are very impressive.
No, the thing is that I took my mother's body. You know, she was big.
Beautiful
You know.
Xhosa woman.
Yeah, beautiful. So now I know that if I can just relax, then I'm gonna be fit and just imagine shooting. So I always try.
There was
to
always
make sure
that danger as well.
Yeah, definitely. So that's why I make sure that I keep this body together.
I'm upset with Cup, so I'm sure they're never nice. My dream is to one day be an owner of a Bushbucks football club.
Yeah.
And maybe I will experience this one day when I do that.
It's gonna happen.
You know, to be upset by a team that you don't expect to beat you.
Yes.
Guwe, unfortunately, Bushbucks and Paris, there's no comparison. Paris
Yeah.
is a fabulous big club with a fan base. When you're upset, like the 2017 final Baroga,
Yeah.
and there's millions of people who are expecting you to win, it must hurt. And I suppose even you would have experienced that, to be upset in a big cup final or semi-final by a smaller team.
Yeah. I remember the other one. We lost 4-1 against Ajax Cape Town.
Rothmans Cup.
Yeah, Robin's Cup. So it's you know it's like you've been hit by the train. You know, you ask yourself, how did it happen? And really, it happened. You know, it's just that I've learned in football that don't undermine a young team, you know, because you don't know what's happening behind that young team. So they always come as a surprise package every time. You know, look at the last season when Makesi they've won.
They beat Sundowns in the final.
Yeah, so no one thought that Makesi will do that, and they've managed to do that. And here comes again now, like I've got goosebumps as I'm talking now because I'm scared of Marumo Gallants, especially the football that they display recently with the new coach. You know, it's making me shaking because they play entertaining football. If you can remember, they played the league game against Paris. They make it difficult. They make it difficult for Orlando Pirates. So now it's a cup game. Definitely everyone is going to go all out. The players, they prepared. They know that we've got nothing to lose, but we've got a lot to gain. So
Big bonuses at stake as well for
look,
them.
you know, their name will be there to say we the ones that will beat Paris in the final. You know, they can, you know, it will open doors for some of the players to get to order, or either to Paris, to Chiefs, to Sundowns. You'll never know, or even overseas. You know, so it's a tricky one. Going to play against Orlando Pirates because
Well, I'm going to
Paris,
double up kubadlali be-Pirates because you are the bigger one.
You have a choice.
You are the prestigious badge. There is at least 4 or 5 million people that want you to win. I know that the other teams will want Marumo Gallants to win, but you, uhamba nomkhosi wako wamabhakaniya, over 4, 5, 6 million people who would want you to win from South Africa. So you have no choice but to win, and that brings its own pressure.
Mr. Nkeo, it's a pressure. It's a very serious pressure for Paris players. You know, others are also in the national team. It also plays a part, you know, that you're playing a final, you're in the national team that is going to play the AFCON. It's a pressure. Beside only to be selected in the Bafana, to play only for Paris, just to wear that black and white jersey. It's a pressure on its own. So the boys, I feel for them. I feel for them.
Awusize ngamahlebezi la, Grootman.
Yeah.
I-timer isenako ukuya ngama-special occasion ukhulume nama-jet.
Yeah.
Did the Iron Duke go to you guys during your generation? Ningambone mhlambe for 2 months, mara if it's a cup final or a derby, he comes in, talk to you for a few minutes. Do you think he still does that now?
Yeah, it's you know, there's one thing I love about the chairman is that he sends the good games. The very big games. It seems like he sends them because
Men for the big occasion.
yeah, he always comes there, and you know, when you see your father, it's I would say it was motivating to, especially me, seeing him, you know, coming, because you know, as a child, when you're going to play, when you see your father there, you get that oomph again to say, you know what, my father is there, let me show him that, look, I can do it. And he always comes and, you know, to meet up with the team, talk to the players, you know, laugh and create some jokes and all of that, but also reminds the players to say how important it is to play the final.
Do you think when you see him, it would pressurize you? Like it would focus your mind to say, Ish, if this man is here, like about Nelson Mandela, if this guy is here, we're playing an AFCON final in 96, it means that we have no option but to give him what he wants.
Look, Mr. Gil, firstly, it was, I felt like it's a pressure, you know, but with time, I get to understand that, you know, he's a father and he's coming where you guys think, Uguti, as much as you've got pressure of the people around to say, hey, you guys must win, then he comes in as a father just to shield, you know, you guys, to make you feel more comfortable and more relaxed to say, yes, as much as I want to win, but I remember that we've got a responsibility as Orlando Pirates, because Orlando Pirates is a big brand in South African football. And when you wear that jersey, you must know that behind your back, how many people that are going to watch you, how many people are following you. So it's very important that you go in there, just give your all. And he always, I like when he says, go there, give your all, leave the rest to God. And Mr. K, it gives you that courage. You know what, I'll go and fight. And that's why every time when I will go inside the field of play for Orlando Pirates, I'll go as if this is my last game.
Well, you
because
used
of
to
how he was encouraging.
You used to have 2 different types of chairman. Omunye chairman yena uyazi ukuthi abantu bakhuthazwa yena. If you win le 15 meter if you win le 15 meter. But anyways, I'm sure Parades, there were bonuses
yes,
for
there
winning
there
as
were
well.
bonuses.
But
yes,
the other
there were.
chairman as well, yeah, so good,
Yeah.
okay, I can add on top of the 15 meter.
Yes.
In. We kind of spoke, I shoot 3 videos with 3 different people.
Yeah.
And we'll touch on Marumo Gallants as and when the time comes.
Yes.
But I think I wanted this angle from you, which is, I love it. It was beautiful, the angle that you gave us. The expectation for a big team going into a final.
Yeah.
What happens in the build-up. I want to wrap it up then with your prediction. But I want to ask first if there's any chance. Give me a percentage. Out of 100, is it 10% chance of Marumo Gallants? 15% chance. Of course, these teams are amalandla wabo walingani.
Yeah.
That's why mawenza kahle kuMarumo Gallants banokudonsa bakuseka Pirates.
Yes.
Nemtajela, umqeqeshi
Yes.
Abdul
Yeah.
Samwadu.
Yes.
So amandla walingani. It's not the same, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So what percentage would you give them for a possibility, and then we can talk about the prediction?
Mr. Geo, I will give them 40%.
Is it that big?
Look,
that
Mr.
they could
Geo,
cause an upset.
you know, in my picture, it always comes the league game that they've played against Orlando Pirates. How difficult it was for Orlando Pirates to get to those maximum points. So when I look at that game and think of the final, now the final, there's more at stake for the boys of Marumo Gallants to sell themselves, to get good bonuses. It's going to December now, and put their names on top of other players when it comes to playing against Orlando Pirates, beating Orlando Pirates. They've got experienced players. I mean, the keeper there, he's been doing wonders. I mean, taking Sundowns out, taking Arrows out.
Yeah.
It's not just a mistake, So it tells you how much work that the coaches
So
put.
you give them a very good chance.
I'm telling you,
40% of winning.
I'm
Although it means Pirates will win like 60%.
Yes,
but
yes.
Marumo Gallants have a good chance. As well.
They do have Mr. Keo because of when you look at the record of the team, how they get to the final, you need to be very scared. Beating Sundowns on penalties, that shows they've got a good keeper. Beating Arrows, they've shown that they've got a good keeper. So with that only, that's why I'm giving them that 40%, because that means they can hold on.
At least banayo plan.
Yeah, they do have a plan to say, you know what, let's hold on and then let's get to those penalties.
Final
When we get there, unfortunately, I just had to talk to the big people, and the big people are saying to me the score is going to be 2-1. Then I asked why 2-1, because Pirates they need to win 2-0. They said no, this team they're good. They've got Sindame. Msendane and Sithole in that midfield. They can create some, difficulties for. Now, you see, Ndlondo has been doing very, very well in that false number 9, and he's been creating chances and he's been scoring. So with that, that's why Marumo Gallants, they can have one goal, but Pirates will win the final by 2-1.
Right, there you go. It is TV, it is Times. We're also sweating. Thank you for watching us.
Shapunjani bafowethu ikamala Mulindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.